Are you looking for the best HDMI surround sound systems? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best HDMI surround sound systems on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Bobtot B701D Surround Sound System. The Bobtot Surround Sound System delivers an immersive audio experience with its 5.1 channel capability, allowing you to enjoy your favorite movies and games as if you were in a theater. With a powerful 800 watts peak power, the system includes a 6.5-inch subwoofer that provides deep bass, enhancing your overall listening experience. Its wide compatibility means you can easily connect it to various devices, from Ultra HD TVs to gaming consoles, making it perfect for any entertainment scenario. Additionally, the Bluetooth 5.0 technology lets you connect wirelessly to your smart devices, giving you flexibility and convenience. What we like: powerful sound performance, wide device compatibility, Bluetooth connectivity, user-friendly remote control. Number 2. Bobtot 800W Surround Sound System. The Bobtot Surround Sound System offers an immersive audio experience with its 5.1 channel surround sound capability. You can easily switch between 5.1 and 2.1 modes using the remote control, allowing you to customize your listening experience. With its impressive 800 watts of peak power, the system delivers powerful sound and deep bass, perfect for movie nights or gaming sessions. The Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity lets you connect your smart devices effortlessly, providing you with versatile audio options. Plus, the 2 wireless rear satellite speakers can be placed anywhere, giving you flexibility in your home theater setup. What we like: powerful sound quality, flexible speaker placement, easy Bluetooth connectivity, customizable audio settings. Number 3. Bobtot 1000W Surround Sound System. The Bobtot Surround Sound System offers an impressive 1000 watts of peak power, delivering an immersive audio experience with its 8-inch subwoofer. You can enjoy rich bass and crisp treble, perfect for movie nights or music sessions. With its 5.1 surround sound capability, you'll appreciate the detailed audio clarity, ensuring every sound is heard as intended. The Bluetooth feature allows you to easily connect your devices wirelessly, giving you the freedom to stream music from anywhere in the room. Plus, the dynamic lighting options add a fun touch to your entertainment setup. What we like: powerful 1000W audio output, 5.1 surround sound capability, Bluetooth connectivity, dynamic lighting effects, karaoke ready. Number 4. Bobtot 1400 watt Surround Sound System. The Bobtot Surround Sound System delivers an impressive 1400 watts of peak power, ensuring a powerful audio experience for your home. With its 5.1 surround sound capability, you can switch between immersive modes for more versatile listening. Enjoy seamless connectivity with Bluetooth 5.0, allowing you to connect your devices effortlessly. Additionally, this system supports multiple input options, making it compatible with various devices, from TVs to gaming consoles, enhancing your entertainment setup. What we like: powerful audio performance, versatile surround sound modes, easy Bluetooth connectivity, multiple input options. Number 5. Bobtot 5.1 Surround Sound System. The Bobtot Surround Sound System offers an immersive audio experience with 200 watts of peak power and a 4-inch subwoofer, providing rich sound and powerful bass for your entertainment needs. You can easily switch between 5.1 and 2.1 channel modes, letting you tailor your listening experience to your preference. With multiple connectivity options, including HDMI, optical, and Bluetooth, this system ensures compatibility with various devices, making setup a breeze. Plus, the included cables help you connect everything seamlessly, enhancing your multimedia enjoyment. What we like: powerful bass performance, multiple connectivity options, easy mode switching, compact design for small spaces.